Welcome back to the Analogue archive. Today I am going to show you how to put batteries into this Instax SQ40. Now I have the stock batteries that came with the camera here. They are your standard CR2 batteries and it comes with two of them. So for a reminder, bottom left hand of the screen will tell you the battery type and how many you need. The good news is these came with the camera, and I'm going to just skip ahead because you don't want to see me struggle with the individual wrapping. It's a bit boring. So now we've got our batteries out. Let's put the batteries in the camera. Now on the right hand side of the camera is the battery cover, and all you want to do is just put your thumb on the cover like that and slide to the right, just like I did. Now you want to take your first battery and put the flat end towards the top of the camera, just like that. Slide your second one in underneath, it should just clip in, and that's pretty much it, you're done. Whack the cover back on to the camera, nice and easy, there we go. Now to make sure the batteries are, working, have enough power, simply turn the camera on by twisting the lens onto its on position. So you can see this one's currently off, I'm going to give it a twist. Zoop. Here we go, it's on. You can tell by the light is now blinking. Turn it off, give it a twist in the opposite direction, like that, and you're all good to go. The camera now has batteries, it has power. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you've made it all this far, if you want to subscribe, that'd be awesome. If you don't, that's cool too. Thanks for coming. See you later.